Colleen from Creative Boost here. I know so many of you web designers and developers out there want to make more money and get more clients. And I know that some web designers and developers will go and learn new skills like JavaScript or PHP or maybe even SEO to try to do this. The problem is those are the same skills that many web designers and developers already have. Some of these skills won't help you make more money or get more clients. But there is a skill that does, and that's website accessibility. And what that is, it's a deeper understanding of web design and development. And it helps you get more clients because 99% of other web designers and developers out there aren't talking about this and they don't know how to do it. And there are some out there that aren't doing it properly. But it helps you make more money and your clients too, because it helps you get better results for them from your work. Most people are able to read and use the websites you build. And it helps with SEO because the site will use proper code and it's formatted properly. It might even load faster, and if it does that, then it can get a boost from Google in the search results. If you don't address accessibility, then you're only building sites for about 80% of your client's audience. And that costs them revenue. So what if you started building better websites and started making more money and getting more clients? Are you interested in that? Let me know. Give me a like, give me a comment, and give me some feedback.